Hey there, so in this video I want to show you the Facebook Analytics tab that you get, and this is fairly new, so if you're not familiar with this dashboard, don't worry. I had actually just came across it recently, but it's full of a ton of great information for you to learn more about your fan base so that you can, better produce content that's going to be relevant for them. And to start off with, I'm just going to kind of walk you through the dashboard here, and to get to this you go to facebook.com/analytics and you'll select your tab, your different page up here in the top left, and select which page you want. When you first are doing this, you're going to need to click on it to open it up, and then it takes a little bit of time for it to update. So what you want to do is do this right now and then maybe come back in 2 days to review this information. Just so everything's populated. But to start off, you can kind of see, this is the overview page. You see a lot of key metrics. You can see active users during the last 24 hours, what time of day they're on, and the darker the tab means that there's more people on that specific day and at that time. So what you can do is you can see this is the overall, so the most popular for this particular page, age 55 to 64, females in the US, and the channel is the Facebook page. Other features here, you can see top reacted posts, so you can see what type of things get the most reactions. Top shared post, getting your post shared is one of the most important things because on average there's around 500 people that an average Facebook user has in their network, so every time you get a share you get around maybe 150, 200 new viewers of your articles, your images, your videos, all of that. You can also see top commented posts, and I believe this is the last 28 days, so you can sort this by last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 14, customize it, do this so that you can review all of your content to find out what is the best performing. You can also kind of see the amount of people who are doing these things, shares, comments, messages, further insights that are going to help if you hover over the People tab and go to Demographics. What you'll do is you can learn more about your page analytics, just people who are actively using your page. So 45 to 55, 64 are the top two right here for this page, and that's the demographics I was going after when building this page. You can go through job titles and look at what types of jobs these people have. And what this is going to do is it's going to give you a better insight into the types of products and services that you can sell to your fans. So if a lot of people are in administrative services jobs, what you can do is you can research what types of things this particular person needs for their job and produce content that will help them, as well as you can sell them products like sales, management, personal care and home services, transportation and moving. So each of these things gives you a little bit of insight into your fan base. You can also see education level, college and high school for the top ones for this particular page. Most of them are married, so if you sell products to couples, you'd want to know this type of relationship status thing. Another thing you can do is find page likes, and this gives you information into other likes of the page. I have this all blurred out right now, just so you're not seeing everything about the niche that I have this page in. But you can see there's tons of recommended things, and what you can do is you can take the page likes, these interests, and you can target those for your particular ads, because you'll see the relevance score and then audience. 66.8% of this audience is relevant for what I have. You can go through, you can find out different sized audiences and get a general idea of new targets to grow your page. Next thing we're going to go to is, technology. This might not be updated yet, but this will give you an insight into what types of cell phones or computers your fans are using, so that you can better create sales funnels and things like that to work properly on that. Next thing, you can do household purchase And what this does is it shows you household income, retail spending, where they're spending their money, what they are spending their money on. So food and drink, subscriptions, pet products, clothing, sports and outdoors, household products. All of this stuff is giving you information onto the demographics of your page so you can better sell to them. So if you spend some time going through this and looking at all of the data that we're given, see, this sometimes happens. If you don't have things set up, you'll have these little errors, and you'll need to, of course, create it. Other things, basically just spend time going around and looking through each of these tabs and getting familiar with them, because they're going to basically give you all of the information you need to get more people seeing your content and get more people who are going to be purchasing your stuff and sharing your stuff and ultimately helping you make more money for your business. But that's it. The link for this is facebook.com/analytics, as I mentioned earlier. And if you haven't picked up the fan page course that I created, there's going to be a link below this video that you can get it today. So I'll see you guys in the next video.